In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat in a Telegram group step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you're new to Telegram or you've joined a group and aren't sure how to send a message, this guide will walk you through the entire process. It's quick, easy, and once you know it, you'll be able to join conversations in any Telegram group without confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and go to the group chat where you want to send your message. Telegram groups are where multiple people can chat together, so once you open the correct group, you'll be ready to post your message for everyone in that group to see. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and find the text box. This is where you type your message. Tap or click inside that text box so you can make sure the cursor starts blinking. That blinking cursor tells you that Telegram is ready for you to type. Once the cursor is active, start typing your text message. You can write a simple reply, ask a question, share an update, or respond to someone else in the group. If you want to make your message more engaging, Telegram also lets you insert images or videos before sending. You can attach media, add a caption, or combine text with a photo or video depending on what you want to share. After you've typed your message and added anything else you want, look for the blue send button. This is usually at the bottom right of the screen. When you're happy with your message, tap the blue send button to post it into the group. Your message will appear in the Telegram group immediately and everyone in the chat will be able to see it. That's all there is to it. Open the group, tap the text box, type your message, add media if you want, and press send. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.